Following incessant monsoon downpours across the state capital, the medical store managed by the Rogi Kalyan Samiti at the Govind Ballabh Pant hospital has been severely waterlogged. The sudden inundation of the facility has raised major concerns regarding infrastructure maintenance at the state's premier referral hospital. According to hospital sources, rainwater gushed into the ground floor medicine stockroom late last night as drainage system choked under pressure. The incident has sparked strong resentment among patient relatives and local citizens. Critics are questioning how a vital facility like a hospital medicine repository could be left vulnerably to rain drainage backflow. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.